As a Santa Clarita home seller, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs of the closing process. The closing process is the final stage of a home selling journey, and it's important to navigate it with confidence and knowledge. First and foremost, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the closing timeline. The closing process typically takes between 30 to 60 days, but this can vary depending on various factors, such as the complexity of the transaction or the buyer's financing. By having a clear timeline in mind, you can better plan and move and ensure a smooth transaction. Next, it's important to be aware of the various documents and paperwork that you will need to review and sign during the closing process. These documents include the purchase agreement, the deed, the bill of sale, and various disclosure forms. It's important to carefully review these documents and seek legal advice if necessary to ensure that you understand all of the terms and conditions. Another key aspect of the closing process is the closing costs. These costs can include fees for title insurance, attorney fees, and other administrative expenses. As a seller, it is important to understand your financial obligations and work closely with your real estate agent or attorney to ensure that these costs are properly allocated and accounted for. Finally, it is essential to work closely with your real estate agent, which I hope is Connor with Honor, yours truly, and of course the buyer's agent, to ensure that all parties are on the same page and that any issues or concerns are addressed promptly. By maintaining open and clear communication throughout the closing process, you can ensure a successful and stress-free home sale. In conclusion, navigating the closing process as a Santa Clarita home seller requires a commanding stance and a solid understanding of the various aspects involved. By staying informed and working closely with your real estate team, Connor with Honor, the Fat to Fit Realtor, you can confidently navigate the closing process and successfully close the sale of